Hi guys, we are back. Welcome to Dino TV. Well guys, this is my next toy aeroplane that I buy from eBay, and it was shipped over to me by this morning. Well, this is it. This is a very rare toy aeroplane that I ever found. And I like this toy aeroplane. It's with lights and sound. Well guys, let's take a closer look at the box. The box is really beautiful. The Amazing Spider-Man Airbus A380. Well, this toy is not only for kids, adults also can play this toy, and it's suitable for decoration. Hi guys, this is how the box looks like. It is very colorful and really attract the kids. Over here they put down there for ages 3 and up. Well guys, next I will unbox this toy aeroplane. Stay tuned, we come back after the break. Hi guys, we are back. Thank you for watching Dino TV. Well guys, this is how the plane looks like after it is assembled. Is it nice? Let's take a closer look. The plane is really beautiful. This plane is battery operated and it has sound and lights. Well, I will on the plane in a while. Stay tuned. Well guys, we are back. This is how the plane look like when we on it. It will have lights and sound. This plane is suitable for kids and also adult, and it is very much suitable for decoration because of the lights. Let's take a closer look at the plane. It looks so real, correct guys? The plane is so beautiful. Well guys, in a while we will show you the plane in the dark. Stay tuned. Okay guys, this is how it looks like when the plane is in the dark. It's really colorful and beautiful. It's like a plane on a runway ready to take off, isn't it? I really like this plane so much. That's why I purchased it from eBay. Do grab one if you are really interested. I'm sure if you're lucky, you can get a discount. It is really beautiful. It is really beautiful, guys. This plane is really beautiful. I never bluff you, guys. Just take a look on the plane. It is really beautiful. Look at the turbine LED. It is really bright. Some planes are not as bright as this, but this is with good quality. This is really nice. It is beautiful, guys. It's really beautiful. It looks like the plane is ready to take off, doesn't it? Well, guys, stay tuned for more and more videos to come, as Dino TV always entertains you. Have a great day and good night.